The Hartford Fire Department is participating in a disaster drill in coordination with Connecticut DOT and the new CT rail service that is running between New Haven and Springfield. So we've coordinated a mock train collision, and we are right now we're evacuating the train, playing victims on the train. We're going through the motions of accessing the train car, the Amtrak Police Department, all the local police departments, Hartford, as well as state police out of Troop H here in Hartford. We've worked with representatives from Connecticut DOT, TASI, which is the subcontractor who actually operates the CT rail service. Our fire department has been obviously heavily involved